Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to allow apps to access photos on Mac. So many apps need to access your photo library so you can upload pictures, edit image or share photos without any problem. So instead of giving every app unrestricted access, macOS lets you choose which app are allowed to use your photo library. This helps you to protect your privacy while still giving trusted apps the permission they need to work properly. So if you would like to allow apps to access your photos, here's how to do it. First, click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to Privacy and Security. Now here go to Photos. Now you'll see the list of apps that have requested access to your photo library. Find the app you want to allow and then enable the toggle right to it. After that, you may need to verify yourself by Touch ID or by entering your Mac password. So follow the on-screen instructions to give the permission, and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.